timeline triggers could not only be used for audio or multimedia, but also to navigate between your slides. So here we placed these arrows that we will use to go to the previous or to the next slide, as well as a home button that would bring us to the first slide of the training. Let's start with the next slide. Go to the trigger menu for that icon or button that you would like to assign the trigger to. Click on the action on click, choose timeline, and add an interaction parameter to go to next slide. You confirm, you close the window, and do the same for the other arrow, but this time we are not going to choose next slide, but rather previous slide. Here it is, confirm, and the home button, we are going to add an interaction on click for the timeline, but this time we're going to choose go to slide, and it will give us the structure of the training, and we have to select which slide we want this button to lead to. You confirm again and close. And now, for example, you can select all these three elements, and by using Ctrl and C on your keyboard, you can copy them and put them on all of the slides in your training so that all of them have the same navigation system. But have in mind that triggers do not copy with the shapes or icons, so you may have to set those. Now let's check out how it works. We have the arrows, we have the button here, so if we go to the previous, we see that this is the first slide, and here the arrow does not have anything to trigger. But this one does, and we go back to the slide we were just at, the one that stops at the 5th second. Then we click on the other direction and we go to the slide next to this one, and one more time, and we go to the last slide that we have, because we see that this arrow has been made more transparent and there is nothing else to click after this one. But we can go back, we can click on the home button so that we get to the first slide again, and quickly navigate through the slides depending on our needs.